if AB is equal to 2, BC is equal to 5, and AC is equal to 10, find A² plus B² plus C². How do we do that? Okay, now let's multiply AB by BC by AC. What do we get? We get 2 times 5 times 10. Now this A times this A is A². This B times this B is B². Then this C times this C is C². To be equal to 2 times 5, 10, 10 times 10, 100. Therefore, ABC all squared is equal to 100. Now, how do we get A? To get A squared, I will say ABC all squared over BC squared. ABC all squared is 100. BC is 5. So I need 5 squared. So 100 over 25. Therefore, A² is equal to 4. Now, B² will be ABC all squared over AC all squared. ABC all squared is 100 over AC. What is AC? AC is 10. So 10 squared. That will be 100 over 100. Therefore, B² is equal to 1. Now, to get C², I will say ABC all squared over AB all squared. So ABC all squared is 100 over AB. AB is 2. 2 squared. That gives us 100 over 4, which is 25. Therefore, A² plus B² plus C² is equal to A² is 4, B² is 1. 4 plus 1 plus 25. And that gives us 30.